What is AI? Is it a threat to your career? If it is, how can you safeguard your career from it? These are some of the questions that you need to ask yourself today in order to have a secure career in the future. Here are some facts that you need to know. There has been a 14 times increase in the number of active AI startups since 2000. Investment made into AI startups by venture capitals has increased by 6 times since 2000. The share of jobs requiring AI skills has grown 4.5 times since 2003. Here is the graph that shows the amount of investment made in AI industry and the future prediction of it. Well, all these facts are enough to say that AI is something that is going to last and has a huge impact on your future. Whether you like it or not, you need to gear up for the future for your own safety. And your boy got you covered, so here's a video on AI that will answer all these questions. Before starting, I would request you to hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet. To the very few who don't know, AI or artificial intelligence are machines that are meant to think and reason instead of just blindly working on humans' orders. By machines, I mean robots here. So what is the purpose of AI? Well, humans love to be productive. Don't you love the feeling when you get a lot of work done in just a day? Well, that's what I'm talking about. And that's what artificial intelligence offers you. Productivity without any barriers. Let me explain. Robots don't have limited working hours, transport, holidays, and all the living charges that humans require. And hence, they are a better one-time investment than giving monthly salaries to humans for getting things done. And also to the companies, they are more pocket-friendly in long term, more effective and more productive. So they are a better choice in front of humans. Well, here's the research that you need to look into. Overall, 1 in 5 jobs in cities across Great Britain is an occupation that is very likely to be replaced by robots. This amounts to approximately 3.6 million jobs to be replaced. Well, after reading this, you might ask, what are the jobs that gonna get replaced by artificial intelligence? The simple answer to this is the jobs that do not require you to think creatively or think of an ideas. Jobs that just require you to mug up and apply those things in the real world, those are the jobs that are gonna get replaced. For example, a retail salesperson. So what does a retail salesperson do? He just mugs up all the prices, features, or the applications of the product or the services that he or she is going to sell, and just delivers it to the consumer so that the consumer is convinced to buy it. Now, a robot can do all the rote learning in just a fraction of a second, and hence it can deliver it more efficiently to the consumer than a human. So what does it mean? It means that the job of a retail salesperson will be in the hands of robots a few years down the line. Not only this, all the jobs that require you to rote learn things and apply it in the real world, all those jobs are gonna get replaced. How do you actually protect your career from robots then? Well, the simple answer to this is do something that the robots cannot do. Take a look at another point from the same report that we had seen earlier, which says generally those jobs are made up of routine tasks are at greater risk of decline, whereas those occupations that require interpersonal and cognitive skills are well placed to grow. Which means the jobs that require you to think creatively are not going to get replaced by robots. For example, an entrepreneur requires you to come up with strategies and business ideas and think upon them. Content creators need to come up with video ideas. Engineers need to come up with ideas in order to create machines for the future. Writers need to come up with ideas to write for the books or the magazines. These jobs are not going to get replaced by the robots because robots, as for now, don't have the capability to think creatively as humans. Although robots can take over years of rote learning, but it cannot take over the human creativity skills from humans. So focus on the jobs that require you to think creatively instead of just mugging up things. But the video is not over yet. Here is my last message on this topic. When you're talking about the future, at the end of the day, all you are making are predictions. And predictions are never 100% true. But what is true is your self-belief. The fact that you believe that you can kill it in your own career and overall life. Technological revolutions are a part of history and will be a part of future. They're a part of the growth of human species, and this species is only going to grow. But what you can do in order to protect yourself from these revolutions is invest time in learning and believing in yourself. So all you can do is learn from all the resources available from you right now and believe in yourself. The biggest resource that you have right now is the internet. And the better part is you are already into the process by watching this video till this point. Believe in yourself, invest time in learning, and you will be great to go. On that note, that's Sarthak Vijay signing off.